Welcome back to another Fashion Week vlog. I cannot believe I'm saying that time is flying. We are currently on our way to my first show of the week. It is Christian Siriano, one of my absolute faves. As you guys know, Christian designed my wedding dress, so this is probably the first Christian Siriano look I've been in since the wedding dress, so it's really exciting. I'm wearing an amazing plaid pink and purple Christian Siriano suit. I can't wait to show you guys more. We are on our way, and I will see you there. So I just got home from the second day of New York Fashion Week, and I just wanted to touch base and give you guys a little update. I'm not gonna lie, vlogging during New York Fashion Week for YouTube, TikTok, and Reels is a lot of work, and I want to make sure that I'm giving you guys the full Fashion Week experience and just telling you everything that is going on. So last night at Christian Siriano was amazing, always one of my favorite shows of Fashion Week, and as you guys know, Christian designed my dress, so this was the first time I was back in a Christian Siriano look that wasn't my wedding dress, and it was really exciting. I loved my pink plaid suit, and all of the looks were just stunning. The flowers, the yellow, also all of the roses on the runway, it was amazing. Then I came home, edited all of my content, and was up until like 1 a.m. just editing to get everything together. I also did a Reels takeover for Women's Wear Daily on their Instagram, so I edited a video for them too, which was really fun. And then today we had Kate Spade in the morning, which I love Kate Spade. The sequin looks were just so stunning. The green and then the blue suit, I loved it. So everything's going well. It's been really busy, so just wanted to check in. So we are just leaving the Hervé Leger presentation. It was really cool. They had the models doing a little photo shoot, and then they were walking into the crowd. So it was awesome, and now we are heading to the Falconeri store opening, and then Alice and Olivia's presentation, which my outfit is from Alice and Olivia. I love their stuff. So excited. photos, and we are on our way to the Milk show, and my full outfit is from Milk. And Prada bag. Vintage.
You give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
So we're leaving the Milk show, and it was amazing. First of all, I got to sit next to a bunch of TikTokers who I'd never met before in person, but we follow each other. So it was always fun meeting like internet friends in real life. So that was really, really fun. And then I loved my outfit so much, and the collection was so colorful, and it was her first New York Fashion Week show ever. I got a little teary-eyed at the end, honestly, when she came out, because I could just tell she was so excited that it was her first show. So it was amazing. 10 out of 10.
Giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Baby, so I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh,
We are on our way to the backkk presentation. We just had lunch at Siddell's. I got a salt and pepper bagel and egg salad, and it was amazing. I love Siddell's. It's one of my faves. And then we have one more presentation, and then we're doing a quick outfit change, and then we have Cynthia Rowley later, which is always one of my favorites, and they're doing a really, really cool event. It's like a comedy show or something like that, so stay tuned.
you're some kind of